Love hotel in Mie, Kameyama. It's only 5,000 yen per night. Just stopping to rest a little. There's a massage chair. Some weird bed they left here. Saving money traveling in Japan. Oh, there's a huge TV here, like 60 inches. Some headphones, there's some karaoke machine. There's some toys. A refrigerator. Nothing in it. Drink menu. Microwave and stuff. Big bed. This is, I've never seen that before. It's actually a pachinko machine in the room. Really funny. Speakers on the top. No, for the price, 5,000 yen, can go back. Go back in this. Let's see here. Toilet. Wow, there's a nice jacuzzi. Okay. Oh, cool. Huge jacuzzi. There's some windows here. That's really odd. Really made it. Not bad for the price. Didn't expect much. So if you want to save some money, traveling in Japan, I can now stay in a lovely hotel like this. I'm staying by myself tonight because I'm traveling. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Peace.